First one is time shifting. Time shifting, time, you can say time shifting, time scaling. You can say time reversal. Fourth number is, you can say, amplitude reversal. Fifth number, you can say signal addition. Sixth is signal multiplication. So among these six number of operations, the signal operations, this first three is very important. Okay, this rest of the operation you'll going to know easily. Okay, there's nothing too difficult on these three. One is some signal addition and multiplication is there. We just multiply the amplitude, or we just multiply adding the amplitude. But in this first three is very important for you, and you should know thoroughly what is called time shifting. Okay, what is called time scaling, or what is reversal. Another thing is all of these first three is suppose something signal is given x t. Okay, here t is, I am saying that it is an independent variable. Okay, and these first three operations all are perform some operation, perform some modification in this independent variable only. Means somebody say t minus 10, or some signal may be twice t, like that. All the modification we have performed in this independent variable. Okay, so these three are very important, and that's why it's named as time shifting, time scaling, and time reversal. Okay, all that come as time in front of their operation name. Okay, so let's go to discuss one by one. First one is time shifting. So shifting means it is we shift some signal, okay, from the right side or left side. Okay, it is shifting its position. Okay, so let me define first. Time shifting of a continuous time signal, suppose xt. Okay, xt, time shifting of a continuous time signal xt is represented by, or given by, represented by yt equal to x of t minus t naught. Okay, like this. So new term has come, and modification is come in that independent variable only, t minus t naught. Okay, where t naught you can say a constant or a scalar value. Okay, scalar value. So condition is that if note, you can write note also, or some point also. What is, if t naught equal to some positive value. Okay, if t has some positive value, then yt can be write similarly. Okay, if some value, positive value, means it is like this only, x t minus t naught. Okay, and yt will be what? It is a right shift phase shift signal, or you can say a delayed signal. You can say delayed, okay, delayed signal. So please take the note. I'm going to create a new slide. The time shifting of a continuous time signal xt is represented by yt equal to x t minus t naught, where t naught equal to scalar value. Okay. If t naught is positive, then our equation, the given equation, is remains similar only. Yt equal to x t minus t naught, and yt is a now new signal, that is yt will be a right shift signal, or you can say it is a delay signal. Why it is saying so? Let me give by graphical representation. Okay. Suppose any signal, okay. Let me give like ut only. It will be better for you. What you know, what is the representation of ut, and what is called this ut? What types of signal you should know first? Okay, ut means unit impulse or unit step. It is a unit step signal. Okay, so ut means unit step signal. So I am saying that if something positive value t naught has come, something we have to minus t, this t independent variable will minus some scalar values or integer values. If we subtract this t minus 10, let me give t naught equal to 10. Okay, when you give t naught equal to 10, I am saying that this signal, okay, step signal is shifted its position to the right shift. Okay, the new value yt will be what I am saying, it is a right shift. Okay, right shift means the signal will come this side, right side. Okay, it's come in the right up to how many quantity or how many time it's shifted to the right? It is a 10 second
10,
or
sir.
10 or second or something. Okay, this is right shift. Okay, I am also saying that it is right shift or delay signal. Delay signal. Why I am saying delay signal? Because it should start from 0, but it start from 10. That's why I am saying it is a delay signal. Okay. So this is the case number 1. Let me come to the case number 2. When or if t not equal to some negative value. Okay. When t not equal to negative value, what will be the yt? Yt equal to x of t plus t naught. Plus sign will become. Okay. In this case, yt will be what? Yt will be is a left shift signal or a advanced signal. Advanced signal, you can say. Okay. So what will be the plot? When I'm going to when I'm explaining with the graph, then your concept will be clear. Okay. You should also visualize the things. Visualization is more important, because mathematical we know. Okay, what is plus or minus? Mathematical we know, but in signal system subject, you should know the visualization also for each of the function. Okay, what will be the waveform? So let it is a unit step signal ut. Okay. So I'm saying that some plus is given in the signal, means if I am giving it ut plus 10, okay, what will be the signal that I'm saying that the original is shifted to the left. Okay, left to the y-axis. Suppose up to here. So waveform would be like this only. Is shifted to the left. How many quantity or how many second or how many time is shifted to the up to 10 only, because I have given here t not equal to 10. So this thing you should know. I think this is clear. So take a note. Let me verify the things with some example, with some problem. A problem is given. Now all the application will come. Okay, what we learn about the basic signals, what are the UT, RT, RECTs we have learned. all the concept you should know right now, okay, to do the problems. So let me give one problems. A signal given as, it is a problem some signal is given like this, okay. Here this it start from this is xt, okay. It start from 0 RAM up to 2 steps. It has constant amplitude up to 4. Then it is also decreased its waveform. Another RAM signal will be there, but slope is negative, and it is ending in 6. Okay, this information has given, and suppose you have the amplitude 4 of the signal. Okay, then question will be asked: plot x of t. Suppose t4. Okay, suppose this question has come. Okay, plot x t minus 4. Then what will be the solution? Question may ask like this only, that plot x t minus 4. So what happen? You can directly shift the signal also, but if this question carry 2 marks, okay, you should show the steps also, means steps also. So what I am saying, that if this signal this question carry 2 marks, then you should show the every steps rather than giving directly the waveform. Okay, what are the steps then? Okay, this is you can say this independent xt, okay, is the time, and this new modified, or you can say modified time is t minus 4. So we have to equate this. Okay, t minus 4 equal to t, like that. But here the value of t is given at some instance. We have every amplitude value for every time, but using this 4 on also we can able to draw the signal. Okay, what I am saying, that we have to equate the or compare with the given modified time. Means modified time is given what, t minus 4. Okay, and this t minus 4 we have to equate with the original signal xt, and you can say first we have to equate with 0. When we equate 0, then new time will be how much? When we have bring this minus 4 to the right side of the equal, it will become as a 4. Okay, like that we have to equate rest of the time instance, like 2. Then our new time will be what? 6. T minus 4 equal to 4. Then our new time will be how much? 8. Like t minus 4 equal to 6. Then what is the new time will be? Equal to 12. Equal to 10. So what will be the waveform then? Now you can draw the waveform. T, this is x, t minus 4 you can say. Okay, 0, this 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Let me give 4, 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. Okay. So waveform at the first time, the initial of the signal, initially it is 0, but now it starts from 4. 4 up to how much? Up to 6. Okay. 4 up to 6. This is the 6. Then up to how much it will be constant? Up to 8. Here you can say 8. Okay. Now it is again decrease. Okay, let me give this 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. 2. Like that you can draw the things. So I think it's clear. If anybody has any doubt, you can ask. The amplitude would be same, 4, because we are not dealing with amplitude. We are not multiplying something with the amplitude. Here is the amplitude value should be represent. Here nothing is there means amplitude will be 1. Okay, but initially it is nothing is given, so we should keep 4 only. Okay.
So can you explain again, sir?
Which one? This amplitude part or what? Whole things, or just what I am saying right now, amplitude?
So not the amplitude, sir. Like, why did you take it from 4 again, the figure signal?
Yeah, the second figure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So means what I am saying, this is the original signal. In original signal, you can see the starting point of the signal. What is the starting point of the original signal? It is 4 only. Okay.
It's 0.
It's
4.
it's 0. Yeah, it's zeros.
It's 0. So,
Yeah, it's 0. So what happened? The modified time is t minus 4. Okay. The what they asked to plot, that is x t minus 4. So we can say the modified time is t minus 4. So we have to equate this t minus 4 with the this original signal, the time the given for the original signal. So when we equate means t minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, when you equate, then we'll get a new time values for the signal. Okay, when we equate these two signal, t minus 4 equal to 0, the new time for the new signal will be 4. Means initially it is start at 0, but right now at the for the x t minus 4, our initially value will be 4 only. So it starts from 4. Okay, like this for the other instance, like t equal to 2, t equal to 4, t equal to 6, our value will come as 6, 8, 10. Like that, we have we can able to draw the signal. Okay, I think it's
okay,
clear.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
these steps you have to shown when this problem carries 2 mark. Okay. Otherwise, you can directly know the things. I am saying that when t minus 4 is coming, we directly shift the signal to the right side up to 4 unit. Like that also, you can directly know that you can directly plot the signal. Okay. I think the question is clear. The concept is clear. If anyone has doubt, you can ask. Let me give some more example. Okay, when we'll go to solve problems, then your concept will be clear. More example. Okay. Question is, draw the following signal. These things you should know very nicely because very important things for you. So t minus 10. Second number is u t. Already I have give the u. Okay, give it a RAM signal. RAM class 5. 3 number. Let me give very nice example. T minus 4. T plus 4 plus t minus 4. Now this addition of the signal has come. Okay. Here only these things is very important. It's very simple. Just you try. Fourth number is let me give how I can say rect t minus 4. Okay. Can you able to draw these signals?